guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this quick and easy holiday look. Just popped your roast in the oven and realized that your guests are coming in 10 to 15 minutes, then this is something that you could definitely achieve in that time. It took me about 10 minutes to do. It's definitely an easy one that looks great. So if you want to learn how to get this look for your holiday party in 15 minutes or less, then keep watching. I'm just gonna start with the Physicians Formula Skin Booster Vitamin Shot, and this is the hydrating one. I'm going to go straight in with my eyebrows. The quickest way to do brows is with a brow pencil. Next, I'm going to go in with some concealer. I'm not gonna bother cleaning the brows up really well, but I do want to prime my eyes. I can't stress the importance enough of priming your eyelids before you use eyeshadow because nothing's gonna stick to them. It's gonna go on patchy and it's not gonna last very long. So this is definitely a step that you don't want to skip. So I'm just blending that out with a beauty sponge. And then I'll also put some of that underneath my eyes and on this little dark spot here. And then since I'm not wearing foundation today, I'm just gonna go in with that sponge and make sure that all the edges of the concealer are blended out well. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Translucent Powder and I'm gonna take some of that on my sponge and just apply it underneath the eyes pretty liberally because I don't want this to go anywhere. And the same on the eyelids. On my eyes today, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. This is a really gorgeous palette. It has a lot of neutrals in it. It has a lot of neutrals in it as well as some pops of color. I'm going to first take this shade here called Incense and I'm going to buff that lightly into my crease. This palette is very pigmented and I'll take a clean brush to blend that out. Then I'm going to take the shade down here called Volatile and just deepen up the crease a tiny bit. You want to make sure you're keeping Volatile lower in your crease. Don't take it all the way up past where we brought Incense. And I want to keep this on the outer portion. I'm not going to bring it all the way in. And then taking Incense again, I'm going to run this along the lower lash line. And I'll also take some of Volatile on the lower lash line as well, keeping it on the outer third. And then on my finger, I'm going to take this gorgeous color called Summer. And I'm just going to pop that all over the lid. Foiled eyeshadows and shimmer eyeshadows generally are going to apply better with your finger. I'm really pressing that in because it is such a gorgeous shimmer that I want to make sure that all of that pigment is really getting on there and is going to stick. And then just blending it upwards a little bit with my finger. This next part is totally optional, but I wouldn't be me if I didn't do a winged eyeliner. So I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Eye Booster. This eyeliner doesn't really work the best over this really shimmery, foily eyeshadow, but it is buildable, so you can do another layer if you have to. Alright, and then for mascara, I'm going to use the NYX Worth the Hype. And then like always, I've gotten transferred mascara on my lid, so I'm just going to wait for that to dry and then buff it away with a Q-tip. So I did get some fallout from that gold eyeshadow, so I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and brush that away as well as the excess powder. And then I am going to go back with that Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I'm just gonna dust this all over my face. This isn't gonna give me any coverage or anything, but it will mattify my face, and that will avoid any shininess. Then I'm gonna go in with the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. This is a fantastic bronzer. And then I'll take the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. This is such a beautiful blush, and it just has a hint of a sheen to it. And then I'll take the Ofra highlighter, and this is in Glazed Donut, and I'll just highlight the high points of my face with this. I'll also add that Ofra highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes, and also the brow bone. For lips, I would recommend doing something easy. Either a matte liquid lipstick that's going to last all day and won't transfer, or I usually recommend a sheer lip gloss. This is gonna be easy to apply throughout the day. It's not going to transfer like pigment onto your teeth or anything like that. So I'm taking the Revlon lip gloss in Rosy Future. And then I also would recommend getting a fixing spray, just to make sure that your makeup doesn't disappear during the day. I'm going to use the Revolution Hyaluronic Acid Fixing Spray. Alright guys, this is the finished look. This would only take me about 10 minutes. If you're newer to makeup, it may take you a little bit longer, but it's definitely a low maintenance kind of look that you can hurry up and do while your roast is cooking. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if there's another Christmas tutorial that you would like to see. What is going on here? Let me know if there's another Christmas look that you would like to see before the holiday, or even a New Year's Eve tutorial or something like that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Comment down below and like the video. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye!